OK, chat, takže tretí part Apokalypsy je tu, dnes. Neviem, čo nás čaká, ale máme to skvelo rozbehnuté, takže yes, máme tam ešte zhruba 3 extrakty pre ľudí, čo som teraz videl. Vstávať a cvičiť. A ideme na to, chlapi. Day 5.
Attention.
You understand why we can't
Evacuation
remove the
convoy
contraband
arriving
from
today.
survivors ourselves, right? It's, well, some people think hiding items deep inside their bodily cavities will work. But that's why we have Charlie. He's our specialist for these types of extractions. Quiet guy, used to work in a
Čo?
morgue. Not exactly the chatty type. If you spot anything on the x-ray, just call him over. He'll handle it.
Né. Oni v riti budú pašovať itemy